英国有一个心脏保险家爱德华兹，近前有公布一份计划，讲要坐轮椅去出世，隆重要挑战333公里，希望会当体谅骨侧损伤治疗，总着1200万的善款。
在零下2、30度的气温当中，逐工出世12、12点钟，而且有超过80公斤的装备行，搁伫雪地10营休困，一工过一工，一直到完成333公里的目标。这是英国心脏保险家爱德华兹的新挑战。伊向大家有过新计划，是要为用骨损伤治疗募款30万英镑，合大票1200万。
The furthest distance that had been done was 111 kilometres, but I'm definitely someone who is passionate about showing what is possible and pushing the line even further. Obviously, I'm relying entirely on my shoulders and my arms to do the hard work, but there's the risk of frostbite. There's a risk of cold weather injuries that I may not know I'm developing because of my impaired sense of feeling.
He's showing that you can go beyond your boundaries and that anything is possible with a spinal cord injury. And not only that, but the money he's raising, it offers significant hope.
真爱冒险运动爱德华兹2016年第一摆爬山坪当中发生意外，幸好以下被震动，不过伊决定继续冒险挑战，当然是加一寡身体障碍。
The tough moments in life don't define who we are.
伊也用家己经验鼓励别人，把伫2022年7天内坐轮椅完成环过7大洲7场世界马拉松挑战，佮用这出世环过欧洲上大冰坎，甲过丘陵船伫英国西景。公司新闻，黄文玲编译。